Hello students, now we will see exercise 2.7 of chapter 2 fractions and decimals. Now from here starts division of decimal numbers. Our first question is question number 1. Find, in that first one is 0.4 divided by 2. So first of all we will divide 4 by 2. Okay, without decimal point. First you will do simple division and in the answer you can adjust decimal point. So 0.4 divided by 2 means we will divide 4 by 2. So it will be 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 0. So our answer is this 2. So 2 is our answer. Now in question point is given after one digit and this side there is no point. So in the answer also after one digit we will keep point. So 0.2 will be our answer. So this was first one. Now second one is 0.35 divided by 5. So first we will do simple division. 35 divided by 5. So 35 divided by 5. So 5 7s are 35. So done. 7 is our answer. So 7 we will write. Now in question point is given after 2 digit. So this 1 and 2. After 2 digit point is there. So here also in the answer we will put point after 2 digit. So this is 1 digit, second digit and point. So 0.07 will be our answer. Same way third one we will do. So it is 2.48 means 248 we will divide by 4. So 248 divide by 4. So 4 6 are 24. 0 and 0, this 8 we will write here, we will bring it down. Now 4 2s are is 8. So 8 minus 8 is 0. So 62 we are getting. So 62 we will write here. Now in question point is after 2 digit. Okay, after 2 digit point is there. So in answer also after 2 digit we will keep point. So 1 digit and second digit. So here we will keep point. So our answer is 0.62. So this is our answer. Now fourth one, 65.4 divided by 6. So again first we will do simple division. So 654, this we will divide by 6. So 654 we will divide by 6. So 6 1s are 6. 6 minus 6 0. Now this 5 we will bring it here. Now 5 will not come in 6 table. So we will take 6 zeros are 0. So again 5 minus 0 5. Now this 4 we will bring here. Now 6 9s are 54. 6 9s are is 54. So here we will write 54. So 54 minus 54 is 0. So our answer is 109. Now in question point is given after one digit. So after one digit means here we will keep point. So 10.9. This is our answer of fourth one. Now moving ahead with fifth question. So this is our fifth question. So fifth one is 651.2 divided by 4. So first of all again we will do simple division and then in answer we will adjust the decimal point. So let us do it. 6512 divide by 4. So again we will divide by 4. So 4 1s are will be 4. 6 minus 4 will be 2. This 5 we will bring it down. Now 4 6 are 24. 5 minus 4 will be 1. Now this 1 we will bring here. Now 4 2s are 8. So 11 minus 8 is 3. Now this 2 we will bring here. Now 4 8s is 32 and 32 minus 32 will be 0. So 1628. Okay, so our answer is 1628. Now in the question again after one digit point is there. So here also from back side पीछे से after one digit we will keep point. So 162.8 is our final answer. Now 14.49 divided by 7. So we will divide 1449 divide by 7. So 7 2 is 14. 14 minus 14 is 0. 4 we will bring down. Now 4 is not coming. So 7 zeros are we will take. Again this 4. 9 we will bring here. 7 sevens are 49. So 49 minus 49 is 0. Okay. So 207. So 207 we are getting. Again in question point is after 2 digits. So after 2 digit means here we will keep point. So 2.07 is our answer. Now, seventh one, 3.96 divided by 4. So, 396, we will divide it by 4. So, 4 8s are 32 and 4 9s are 36. So, we will take 4 9s are 36. 9 minus 6 is 3 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So, this 6 we will bring down. Again 4 9s is 36. So 36 minus 36 is 0 0. So 99 we will keep here. Now in question point is after 2 digits. So after 2 digit means here we will keep decimal point. So 0.99 is our answer. So this was 7th one. Now moving ahead with last sum, that is 8th one. So this is our 8th sum. We will see 8th sum. 0.80 divided by 5. So 80 we will divide it by 5. So 5 ones are 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. This 0 we will bring down. Now 5 6 are 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. So 16 we are getting. So 16 I am writing here. This both 0. Okay. 16 I am writing here. Again in the question point is after 2 digit. So after 2 digit means here I will keep point. So 0.16 will be our answer. So this is 8th one. So here our question 1 is over. Now question number 2 is again division, but it is division by 10, 100 and 1000. So we will see question number 2. Question number 2 is find. First one is 4.8 divided by 10. Now in previous video we have seen multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. So in multiplication we shifted the decimal point to the right side. Okay, if 1 0 is there, then we shift the point to right side. One time we shift. Now in division we will shift the decimal point to the left side. Okay, so we just have to shift the decimal point to the left side. Let us start. First one is 4.8 divided by 10. Now divide by 10 is given. 1 0 is there. So this decimal point will shift to the left side of the number. So here it will shift one time. So the number is 48. Okay, point was here. Now point was here and we are shifting it here. So here point will come. So it will be 0.48. So 0.48 will be our answer. Okay, so we have to shift to this side, left side. Now second one, 52.5 divided by 10. Again it is divided by 10. So this decimal point we will shift again. One time we will shift this side, left side. So here point will come. So 5.25. Okay. Third one, 0.7 is there. Divide by 10 is there. Now point is here. Again divide by 10 is there. So this point will be shifted here. So here point will come, means 0.07. So 0.07. Point was here. I have shifted here. So it was 0.07 and here I have kept 0. So 0.07. Now 33.1 divided by 10. Again divide by 10 is there. 1 0 means we have to shift one time. So this decimal point is here. So from here we will shift it. We will take it here. So ये decimal point shift होके इस तरफ आ जाएगा. One time it will shift. So here the point will come. So 3.31 will be our answer. Fifth one, again point we have to shift one time because again 10 is given. So again one time we will shift. So decimal point कहाँ पर है? यहाँ पर. So now we will shift. So point will come here. After 7 means here point will come. This point we will shift here. Okay, one time we will shift. So it will be 27.223. So this will be our answer. Now next one, again divide by 10 is there. Again this point we have to shift here. So here point will come. So 0.056. 0.056. And here you can keep 0. So 0.056. Again 3.97 divided by 10. Again 10. So again we have to shift one time to this left side. So this decimal point we will take here, and here there is no number, so we will keep point and then 0. So 0.397. So this is our answer of 7th one. Hope you understood. Now question number 3 is same, but it is division by 10, 100 and 1000. So let us see this. Now 2.7 divided by 100 is given. 100 means 2 zeros are there. So this point will shift 2 times. So first of all, we will write whatever is given in the question. 27 is given. We will write it without point. Now point was here. See, in the question point is given here. Point kahan diya hai? Yahan diya hai, at this place. Now we are shifting 2 times. So 1 time and then second time. So we have to take 0. So point was here. So 1 shift and second shift. So here I will put decimal point and then 0. So 0.027. Now second one is 0.3. I am writing 0.3. Now again 100 is there. So 2 times I will shift. Point kahan par tha? Where it is? Here. Point is here. Okay, here point is there. Now I am shifting it 2 times. So 1 time and second time. Right. So 1 time shift means here, second time shift means here. So we have to take 0 and then point and then 0. So it will be 0.003. So you need to just shift the point to the left side. Left side we will shift. So next one is 0.78 divided by 100. So again 7, 8 is there. Point is here. 7 के आगे है point, यहाँ पर है. Now again we will shift 2 times because 100 is there. So 1 shift. So we will need 1 more 0. So the point was here. So 1 shift and then second shift. So again we will keep point over here. Okay. So point was here. So 1 shift and second shift. So now we will keep point and then 0. So the answer will be 0.0078. Point कहाँ पे था? यहाँ पे था. Now 2 times we have shifted. 1 from here, 1 and then 2. So 2 times we will shift like this. Now next one, fourth one, the digits are given 4, 3, 2, 6. Now point is here after 2. यहाँ पे point है. Again 2 times we will shift because 100 is given. So 1 time and second time. So point will be here after 4. So it will be 4.326. Now fifth one is 236. 236. Now point is given in the question. Where it is given? Here it is given after 3. यहाँ पे point दिया है. 2 times इसको shift करेंगे. So 1 time and second time. So यहाँ पे point आएगा. So it will be 0.236. Now sixth one is 98.53 divided by 100. Again the digits are, first we will write digits without point and now we will adjust the point. 2 zeros. So again 2 times we will shift. Decimal point is here. यहाँ पे है point 8 और 5 के बीच में, यहाँ पर है. So 2 times we will shift. So 1 time and second time. So यहाँ पे point आ जाएगा. So यहाँ पे point आएगा. So it will be 0.9853. So this was question number 3. Now we will see question number 4. Question number 4 is also same, but we have to divide by 1000. So 3 zeros are there. So 3 times we will shift. So let us start. Question number 4 is find 7.9 divided by 1000. So first of all 79 is given. The digits we will write 79. So 79. Now point is here. Point कहाँ पे है? यहाँ पर है, right? After 7 point is given. So now 1000 is there. So we have to shift 3 times. So we need to take 2 zeros. Point is here. Okay. So 1 shift, second shift and third shift. So here we will keep point and then 0. So answer will be 0.0079. So 1000 is there. So 3 times we have to shift to left side. So 3 times we will shift to left side. Now second one 26.3 is given. Divide by again 1000. So first of all we will write the digits 263. Now point is between 6 and 3. Point यहाँ पर है. We will shift 3 times. So 1 time, second time and third time. So we need to take 0. So 1 time. From here to here 1 time, second time and third time. So यहाँ पे point रख देंगे. So 0.0263. So this is the answer of second one. Now third one 38.53. So 3853. Point is here after 8. Now we will shift 3 times. So one time, second time. Now for third shift, we will have to take 1 0. So here we will take 0. So point was here after 8 na. So one shift, second shift and third shift. So here we will keep point and then 0. So 0.03853 is our answer. Now fourth one, 128.9 is the question. 128 and then 9. Now point is given here. Now again we will shift 3 times. यहाँ पे दिया है point, right? You can see in the question 1000 is there. So 30. So 3 time we will shift. So one time, second time and third time. So यहाँ पे point आ जाएगा. Okay, starting में. So यहाँ पे point आएगा and then 0. So 0.1289. Now fifth one is 0.5. So we have only 0.5. Now again 1000. So we have to shift 3 times. Point is here. Point यहाँ पे दिया है 0 और 5 के बीच में. यहाँ पे point दिया है. So first shift we have to take 0. So first shift, second shift, again third shift. So here we will keep point and then 0. So 0.0005. So this is the answer of fifth one. Hope you understood this fourth question also. Now moving ahead with question number 5. Question number 5 is again find 7 divided by 3.5. So how we will do this one? So first of all 7 we will keep same. This division sign we will keep same. Now 3.5 decimal is given. Decimal number is given on the right side. So simple division इसको करेंगे तो answer fraction में आएगा. So we will use another method. 7 divided by 3.5. Now 3.5 is given. So if I remove this point, it will be 35 upon 10. 35 upon 10 हो जाएगा, right? Now in next step, this division sign I will change into multiplication and this part I will take reciprocal. So we have seen in previous video also how to divide if one whole number is there and another fraction is there. So division में directly ये cancellation नहीं होगा. So we will change the sign of division and division की जगह पे we will keep multiplication sign and the next number उसके बाद वाला जो भी है that numbers reciprocal we will take this fractions reciprocal. So it will be 7 multiplied by it will be 10 upon 35. So we will get this. Now we will do cancellations. So I am writing here again 7 into 10 upon 35. Now cancellation is possible. 7 1s are and 7 5s are. Again we can cancel it. 5 1s are and 5 2s are. So 2 into 1 all are cancelled, only 2 is left. So our answer is 2. So this way we will do. We have to change the sign and we have to take the reciprocal. Now second one is 36 divided by 0.2. Again same procedure. 36 division sign की जगह पे what we will, division sign we will keep same and in place of 0.2 we will write it as fraction. So 2 upon 10. Now in next step we will write 36 and in place of division sign we will write multiplication sign and in place of 2 upon 10 we will take the reciprocal. So it will be 10 upon 2. Now we will do cancellation. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 18s are is 36. You can cancel this way also or you can cancel this way also. 2 5s are 10 is also possible. So you can choose any one. This both also you can start with or this both also. Any one you can choose. So what is left? 18 into 10 is left. Here 18 is left in place of 36 and into 10. So 18 10s are is 180. So this is our answer of second one. Now third one is 3.25 and divide by 0.5. Here also point is given, here also point is given. So if I remove this point, point is after 2 digit. So what will come in the denominator? 100 will come. 2 digit के बाद point है तो नीचे क्या आएगा? 100 आएगा. So 325 upon 100. Here divide by 0.5 is there. So it will be 5 upon 10. Okay, now we will take reciprocal and we will change this sign. So it will be 325 upon 100 multiply by this division sign will change into multiplication and the next fraction means this part we will take reciprocal after the sign. This part 10 upon 5. Now we will do cancellation. So 0 and 0 cancelled. Now 5 and 3 25 both are possible with the table of 5. So it will be 5 ones are, and here 32. So 32 means we will take 5 6 are 30. Now 2 is left. 2 5 25 means 5 5 are. So 65 and down what is left? 10. So 65 upon 10 is left. Now 65 upon 10 is our final answer. Again we can write it in decimal part. 10 is there. So again we can convert it to decimal. So we can write it as 6.5. 65 upon 10 can be written as 6.5. So 6.5 is our answer. Now fourth one is 30.94. Again we will remove the point. So it will be 3094 upon 100 divide by, here it is 0.7, point after one digit, so upon 10. Now again changing the sign and taking the reciprocal. So it will be 3094 upon 100 into 10 upon 7. Now this 0 and 0 cut. Now 7 के टेबल में 3094 आता है, that you need to think. कब आता है? So you need to cancel. If you are not comfortable with cancelling, 3094 is a big number and oral cancellation. If you are not comfortable, you can divide 3094. You can divide 3094 by 7. You can divide it on the side and you can check it if orally you are not comfortable. So 7 4s will be 28. 30 minus 28 will be 2 and this 9 I will take down. So 7 4s will be 28. Again 9 minus 8 will be 1 and this 4 I will take down. So 14 means 7 2s. So 4 4 2. 7 2s is 14. 14 minus 14 will be 0. Okay, so 4 4 2 is our answer. 442. So 7 1s and 7 4 4 2s is 3094. So this way orally if you are not comfortable you can divide and check like this on the side. Now fifth one is 0.5. So it will be 5 upon 10. Divide by 0.25. So it will be 25 upon 100. Okay. Now in next step changing the sign and taking the reciprocal. So it will be changing the sign. So it will be 5 upon 10 into 100 upon 25. Now 0 and 0 cancel. Okay, and 5 1s and 5 5s 25. Now this 5 and here 10 is left. Again 5 1s and this is 5 2s. So our answer is 2. Our answer is 2. After cancellation our answer will come 2. So 2 is our answer. Now next one is, now here upon 10 was also left. Okay, 442 upon 10. So 10 is there. So after one digit we will put point. So it will be 44.2. So we have forgotten this 10. Here 10 is left. So 442 upon 10. So this 10 was left. 10 was left. So after one digit we will keep point. So answer is 44.2. So this is the answer of fourth one, 44.2. So don't forget, be careful when you cancellation you do, you need to be careful. So here 10 was left, so we have kept point. Now moving ahead with sixth one, it is 7.75 divided by 0.25. So it is 775 upon 100 divided by 25 upon 100. Now again changing and taking the reciprocal. So 775 upon 100 will be same. Multiply by this will be 100 upon 25. So 100 and 100 got cancelled. Now 775 and 25 is left. So we can divide it or we can do cancellation. So 775 and 25 is left with us. So both cancellation is possible with the table of 5. So 5 5s here 5 1s 5, 6 7, 2 is left. So 27 means we will take 5 5s 25. So again 2 is left. So again 5 5s. Now again 5 1s and here 5 3s 15 and 5 1s 5. So 31 is left with us. What is left with us? 31. So if you are not comfortable with cancellation, you can divide also. 7 7 5 को 25 से divide भी कर सकते हैं, or you can do cancellation both ways, anyone whichever you are comfortable. So 31 we are getting after cancellation. So 25 31 are. Okay, so our answer is 31. So 31 is the answer of sixth one. So our sixth answer is 31. Now moving ahead with seventh one. So seventh one is 76.5 divided by 0.15. Again 76.5 is there, so we will write 765 upon 10 divided by 15 upon 100. Now in next step again we will take the reciprocal. So 765 upon 10 will be same, multiply by here 100 upon 15. So 110. So 1 0 cut. So this 10 10s are 100. So here 10 left. Now 765 upon 15 is there. So again we need to cancel carefully. So what is left with us? I am writing here 765 into 10 और नीचे यहाँ पे nothing left, so 1 into 15. So this is left with us. So we need to cancel carefully. So this is left with us. 7th sum, this is left with us. 765 into 10 is left. 765 into 10. Here this 10 is cancelled, so 1 is left. So 1 into 15. So 1 into 15 and here 765 into 10. Now 15 and 10 both are coming in the table of 5. So 5 3s are and 5 2s are. Again 3 and 7 6 5. Cancellation is possible. So 3 1s are here, 3 2s are 6, 1 left. So 1 6 16. So we will take 3 5s are 15. Again 1 left. So again 5s are. So after cancellation, what is left with us? 255 into 2. What is left with us? 255 multiplied by 2. So now we need to multiply this on the side. So we will multiply. Now 255. Okay, we will multiply 255 multiply by, what was there? It was 2. 255 multiplied by 2. So 2 5s are 10. Again 2 5s are 10 and 1 11. 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. So 510. So 255 into 2 was 510. So 510 is our answer. Okay, so this is our final answer. Now 8th one is 37.8 divided by 1.4. So now let us see 8th sum. So 8th sum is 37.8. So 37.8 can be written as 378 upon 10 divided by 14 upon 10. Okay. Now again we will take reciprocal. Okay, so we will take reciprocal and we will change it. So I am doing here. It will be 378 upon 10 divided by this 14 upon. So now it is 378. I am writing here. Okay, so it is 378 upon 10 multiplied by, I am taking reciprocal of this, 10 upon 14. So this 10 and 10 cancel. Now 378 and here 14 is left. So both can be cancelled with the table of 2. 378. Directly also you can take the table of 14. Or if you don't know the table of 14, you can start with 2. So 2 7s are here. It will be 2 18s are is 36. 1 left. So 1 8 18. So 2 9s are. So 189. Again with 7 it is possible. So it will be 7 1s are 7. Here 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So we have to take 7 2s are 14. So 15, 16, 17, 18 means 4 left. So 4 9 49 means 7 7s are. So 27 is our answer of 8th one. So our answer of 8th one is 27. If you don't know, you can divide on the side. 378 you can divide like this with 14. This way you can divide also and you can check, or else with cancellation. Any method is correct. Now moving ahead with last sum, that is 9th one. 2.73 divided by 1.3. So again 273 upon 100 divided by 13 upon 10. Now in next step we will change the sign and we will take the reciprocal. So it will be 273 upon 100 into 10 upon 13. So this 0 and 0 cut. So what is left with us? 273 into here nothing is left, so 1. Here 10 is left and here into 13 is left. Now with 13's table we have to divide 273. So 13 के टेबल में 273 कब आएगा? So that you need to think. So cancellation we need to do with the table of 13. So you can divide on the side 273 we have to divide by the table of 13. ये 13 और 273 को कैंसिल करना है, सो साइड पे उसको डिवाइड कर लेंगे. सो 13 1 जा 13, 13 2 जा 26. So 1 left, 7 minus 6 1 and 2 minus 2 0. This 3 we will bring down. So 13 1 za 13. So 13 minus 13 0. So 21 we are getting. And so 13 21 za. 13 21 za is 273. So what is left? 21 upon 10 is left with us. So here upon 10 is there in the denominator. Don't forget this 10. So 21 upon 10 is our final answer. Now we will write it in decimal point. So it will be 2.1. So 2.1 is our answer. So our answer of 9th sum is 2.1. So our 9th sum's answer, this answer is 2.1. So this was question number 5. Hope you understood.